Hi, so I know I ran out of storage, but we're going to try Skittles Chewies, okay? These are not the normal Skittles, but it's no shell, just the Chewies, okay? Let's open them. I'm just gonna... Oh no, I just dropped one Skittle. I just dropped one Skittle, okay. Right, we're going to try... I know, you know the flavours like the original Skittles. We've got orange, lime, lemon, black and strawberry, but we haven't got the Skittles, okay? So, we're going to try orange. Okay, try orange. Okay. These are what it looks like, guys. The Skittles Chews, okay? We also bought toxic waste, so we're going to try toxic waste. What? Okay, now I'm going to try the lemon. These are what it look like. I didn't try these before. We're going to try lime now. I'm just going to try lime. It's the green Skittle. They look different. I think it tastes tastier than the original Skittles, okay? So, lime. Okay, we'll try lime, lemon. I think we'll try lemon and lime. Let's try lemon. I think we tried lemon before. Right, now we're going to do black currant. Black currant. The purple Skittle. Here. Okay. It's nicer than the original ones. Last but not least, this is a strawberry one. It's a little bit pink, looking pink, isn't it? Okay. Oh my god, that's so nice. Yeah. You get the Skittles. Okay. Right. If you want nicer Skittles, get the Skittles Chewies and it'll be good to go. Bye.